In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $50 a day simply sharing posts on your social media accounts. You can see some of the examples of the payments from this method here: $8, $16, $24, and so forth. You can make $50 a day, and this works worldwide. So you can do this from any country in the world. And here are once again some of the examples of the payments from my personal experience from this method that you can see here on the screen: $18, $10, $12, $11. And essentially this method that I'm going to show you will allow you to earn as much as $50 a day, or even more if you work hard on it, by sharing other people's posts on your social media. You can make a post on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, and charge people $5 to $50 per post by providing a very high in demand service that is especially popular now. The popularity of it just keeps growing, and there is unlimited demand for this service. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of it from any country in the world, even if you are in Africa, in Asia, in the US, in Australia, in the UK, in Europe, anywhere. It does not matter. You can do this method right now. Hey everyone, my name is Greg Kononenko. On this Caffeinated Blogger YouTube channel, I bring you almost daily videos on making money from home, affiliate marketing, and blogging. Make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video and enable all notifications so that you get notified about my next video as soon as it's uploaded. Let's get into the detail. So these are the examples of the payments from this method that I'm about to share with you, just so that you can see that this actually works. A lot of them are from the method that I'm about to share with you. This service, like I mentioned to you, is in really high demand, and I have used this service as both a seller and a buyer, so I know quite a bit about it, and it is an excellent way to make money, especially in these crazy times right now where everyone is stuck at home and the demand for this service is just going through the roof. You can provide this service and get paid money for the service that you provide on a website called Fiverr, fiverr.com. Now, this is quite different. This is a service that is in high demand. So if you act and you actually do what I'm about to show you in this video, you are very, very likely to get orders for your service that you can list on the fiverr.com website. Now, in case you are new to Fiverr, Fiverr is basically a marketplace where people from all over the world can register to provide various services such as graphics design, digital marketing. You can draw portraits, you can provide marketing services, you can write articles, you can do voiceovers, you can sell video and animation, etc. So there are thousands of different categories of services. I'm about to show you one that is in really high demand that you can make money on today. And people from all over the world can come to this website and they can order those gigs as well. So it's basically a marketplace where people can buy the services and people can sell services, and this marketplace connects the two services together. Now, the type of gig that I'm about to share with you today is called social sharing. So if you type in social share or social sharing, you will see the results. So there are only 124 people, or 124 gigs, so to speak, listings in this marketplace for social sharing. Now, this is very, very little. It means that there are not enough people who have actually registered as sellers for this service, and this service is in high demand. So there are only 124 different people that are trying to sell services in this category, which means that there is a huge opportunity for you to register as a seller and to start offering the type of service that I'm about to share with you. And this service is so easy to fulfill. So I'm going to show you an example here. So for social share, there is this one person. You can see that they're selling this service for $8 Australian. That's basically $5 US. And they have had 9 reviews. That means that they've sold about 100 or so of these services. All right, and this is a very recent listing. So very quickly, they managed to sell about 100 of these services. So they've made about 500 US or 800 Australian for it. Now, this person, you can see Kelly, she has 241 reviews for this service, which means that she sold probably $2,000 or $3,000 worth of this service. And you can see that it's only starting at $8. So if we open it up, you will see that depending on the complexity, so she's got different tiers. There is a basic service that she provides and a premium service. The premium service is 24, so that's 15 US dollars. So if we take an average price of the service, which is $16, that's 10 US, and we multiply it by 2,400 potential orders, she's probably made around 24,000 US on this, just sharing people's social media posts. Okay, so let's look at this service in a little bit more detail. So that, and by the way, you can see that she's got 3 orders in the queue that she hasn't even delivered yet. So once again, this is an indication that this service is in really, really high demand. Okay, so her gig, her service that she provides is, I will share your content on my social media sites. Her social media sites, that means on her Facebook profile, on her Twitter profile, on her Pinterest profile, and LinkedIn profile, etc. And it says about this gig, sharing URLs on social media will increase your website ranking as well as getting it noticed by interested potential clients. The more shares you purchase, the better SEO ranking you will get. At the moment, there is a huge demand for social shares. Local businesses and various other businesses that are looking to attract customers, they want to get exposure on social media, and you can provide this service. So you can build your own social media profiles. For example, a few Facebook pages, a LinkedIn profile, a few Twitter accounts, and you will find there is a huge demand from people who will want to buy exposure on social media. Now, you don't need a lot of followers to do this. You can start selling this gig even if you only have 5 followers or 10 followers. It doesn't matter, because what matters is a social share that goes as a little vote for your website, so to speak. So people will want to just get it even if you only have a few followers, and they will generally want to get it from a number of different sellers with a variety of different social profiles. So some that have a lot of followers and some that don't have a lot of followers. So you can absolutely do this with only a few followers on your accounts. So anyone can do this, even if you've got no social media following right now. In the future, as your following grows, you can make even more money. You don't have to just sell these shares on Fiverr. You can actually go to Shoutcard, so shoutcard.com, and other similar websites, and you can see that there is big demand. So accounts with 88,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 1.7 thousand followers, you can sell the shares on these profiles for really, really good money. But that's in the future. For now, let's just focus on the method that I'm about to show you for how to get started really simply and easily on Fiverr.com. Okay, so here is step by step exactly what you need to do. So step 1 is to open social profiles. I recommend for you to choose 5 niches. I've put some suggestions for you here. 1 would be viral niche, fitness niche, tech niche, money, and some funny things. So this should cover pretty much any type of customer that you might get on Fiverr when they order your service. Then what I recommend for you to do is to open a Facebook page, a Twitter account, and a Pinterest account in each niche. So you will open 5 Facebook pages, it's free, and open a viral Facebook page, a fitness Facebook page, tech Facebook page, money, and funny. Only takes a few minutes to set up each of these Facebook pages, so it's super quick to do. Okay, so then do the same thing with Twitter accounts. You can actually have as many Facebook pages as you want. You can have as many Twitter accounts as you want. Just use a different email address for each of them. Use a different Gmail email address, and do the same thing with Pinterest. So create in each of those niches, create a separate social profile. So this way you will have 15 social profiles on which you can sell your social shares, or you can sell social shares from 15 different social profiles. So this puts you into an amazing position where your service will be in high demand and you can charge good money for it and you can get a lot of customers. So on your Facebook profile, go into here, manage pages, and then click create a new page, and then just follow the prompts to create a Facebook page. Then do the same thing basically with Twitter, do the same thing with Pinterest as well, create the profiles in each of those networks. Step 2 will be to share some content on each of your profiles. Now this is just to fill out your profiles. You literally can share anything that's related to the niche that you've chosen. Let me show you how to do that. So if you're doing this on Facebook and this is your Facebook page, for example, this could be the tech Facebook page, you would just type in something like viral tech news and get any link and then share that link on your Facebook page. So let's see, we'll just pull up some of the tech news. For example, this one here, the world is still producing more oil than it needs. So you would just go in here and you would say the world is still producing more oil than it needs, and then just paste that link and click post. That's all you need to do. So make about 10 posts on each of your profiles just to fill it out so that it doesn't look empty when people actually start looking through your feed. At this point, you've got the 15 social media profiles, so now you can list your gig on Fiverr. So you need to go and create a gig profile on Fiverr. If you're unsure how to actually structure your gig and what to put into it, then make it similar to other gigs that are already popular. So for example, type in social share or social sharing or manual social share. You can also get and click on the suggested tags here as well. And have a look at how other gigs that have been getting orders have been structuring their listings. So as an example, you can open this one or you can open this one and then take a look at exactly what kind of screenshots they have posted, exactly what they have written in the gig. And you don't obviously copy it word by word, but you can get an idea on how to structure that gig. When you're first starting out, you will only be able to offer a basic gig. You need to get some orders under your belt before you can start offering standard and premium. Now, after you have made this listing, then you need to essentially wait until the orders start coming through, because people on a daily basis will go in and they will be looking for these social shares. Now, try to make yours as attractive as possible. In here, include all the information. Make your gig the best gig out there. Say that you will share this 5 times to your 15 social profiles. So that's a total of 75 manual shares, okay, that you can offer. Because often these gigs will only offer, for example, this one here, basic, says 7 posts on Facebook. You need to make yours stand out and you need to offer 75 manual shares. And the way that you can do this is on each of your 15 profiles, you post it 5 times. For example, over the course of 2 days, post it twice a day on one day and then 3 times a day on the second day. That will give them a total of 75 shares. And that's how you can make your gig really stand out, because you're offering more. Now, after you've got a few reviews under your belt, you can then, and once you've got the standard, the premium enabled, you can structure it a little bit differently so that you can offer, for example, 15 under basic, 30 under standard, and 75 under premium. And you can give slightly different amounts, for example, $5, $10, $15. And this way you can charge more for almost the same amount of work, because it's very quick and simple to actually share someone's post onto your social profile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click subscribe here on the screen or just below this video. Enable all notifications so that you can get notified as soon as I upload my next video. And here is a cool video for you to watch next. So go there right now. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.